Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes. We are going to solve the question number 5 of exercise 5.2 chapter 5 data handling. Question number 5 is the number of students in a hostel speaking different languages is given below. Display the data in a pie chart. The data is, this is the language, this is the number of students. In language Hindi is speaking by the 40 students, English by 12, Marathi by 9, Tamil by 7, Bengali by 4, and their total is 72. Now we calculate the fraction for the Hindi language. Numerator upon denominator. Here the numerator is 40 for the Hindi, 12 for the English, 9 for the Marathi, 7 for the Tamil, 4 for the Bengali, and the denominator is 72 for all these languages. So first we are going to calculate the fraction for Hindi. It is 40 upon 72. 4 10 ja 40, 4 9 ja 4, and 4 8 ja 32. It is 10 upon 18. Now it is 2 5 are 10 and 2 9 are 18. So it is 5 upon 9. English, it is 12 upon 72. 12 1 are 12, 12 6 are 72. So it is 1 upon 6. For the Marathi it is 1 upon 8. For the Tamil it is 7 upon 72 because it is not divisible by any table. And for the Bengali it is 1 upon 18. Now we are going to calculate the central angle. For this we multiply this fraction for the Hindi 5 upon 9, and this fraction we multiply with the 360 degree. For a circle the complete angle is 360 degree, and we plot our pie chart in a circle. So we multiply this fraction with the 360 degree. Now we cut it. 9 1 ja 9, 9 4 ja 36. It is 40. So it is 5 multiplied by 40 gives you the 200 degree. This is the angle for the Hindi. Now it is 1 upon 6 for the English language. 1 upon 6 multiplied by the 360 degree. 6 1 ja 6, 6 6 ja 36, and 6 0 ja 0. So it is 1 into 60 gives you the 60 degree. Now for the Marathi language it is 1 upon 8. This is the fraction and it is multiplied with the 360 degree angle. 8 1 ja 8, 8 4 ja 36, 8 4 ja 32, 4 remain, 4 0 make the 40, 8 5 ja 40. So it is 45 degree. Now this is, it is 7 upon 72 and it is multiplied by 360 degree. Now we cut it with the table of 9. 9 8 ja 72, 9 4 ja 36 is 40. Now it is 8 1 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40. Now it is 7 multiplied by 5 gives you the 7 5 ja 35 degree. So for the Tamil language the central angle is 35 degree. Now for the Bengali it is 1 upon 18 multiplied by 360 degree. 18 1 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36, 18, 0, 0. It is 20. So it is 1 into 20 gives you the 20 degree. So all these are the central angles for these languages. Now we are going to plot the pie chart. Now this is the circle. It is already drawn here, and this is the radius of this circle. It is the center point of this circle. Now we are going to draw the pie chart for this given data, and here for these particular languages the central angles are written. For Hindi it is 200, for English it is 60, and so on. First we draw the central angle for Hindi, that is 200, with the help of this D. First we place this center point of this protector at the center point of the circle. And then we match this edge of the protector with this arm. And then we start reading from this side, because the baseline is this side. So we read the inner scale 0 to 0, 10, 20 up to 200. But in our D, the highest angle is 180 degree. 200 is not possible to draw with the help of this D. So what we do? We draw this angle in the last. So what we do? We draw this angle in the last, and now we are trying to draw the 60 degree angle. The protector, the center point of the protector on the center point of the circle, and then we match this line 60 degree. The 60 degree is here. We join the center point of the circle with this 60 degree. Angle of 60 degree. And it is for English. So we write here English. Similarly, we draw the next angle 45 degree for the Marathi, and again we take the D. This time we take the baseline as a baseline, this. Now we set our D here, match the line, match the centers of the protector and circle both, and then start reading from the baseline 10, 20, 30, 40. It is 45. In between 40 and 50, the 45 is here. So we mark here. This is 45. Then we join this 45 with the center. This is the angle of 45 degree, and this is for the Marathi language. Similarly, we draw the next angle 35 degree for the Tamil. We take this line as a baseline. Again we set our protector on this line, and the center of the protector on the center of the circle, and then we read 35 degree. It is 10, 20, 30, 40. In between 30 and 40, the 35 is here. We mark it. "35 degree", and it is for which language? It is for the Tamil. So we write here Tamil language. Now the next 20 degree angle, it is for the Bengali. We take this line as a baseline, and again we set our D here. It is 0, 10, 20. Now we join this. This is the angle of 20 degree and this is for Bengali. Now we can easily observe, we already drawn all these angles 60, 45, 35, 20. It is 60, 45, 35 and 20. What remain? The remaining angle is 200 degree and the remaining space in this circle is this one. So it is the remaining angle of 200 degree and it is for the Hindi. If it is not possible to draw the angle of 200 degree with the help of protractor, then we can draw this angle like this. It means first we draw all this and the remaining space is for the 200 degree angle and that is for the Hindi. So this is the pie chart for the given data.